afterwards, when he saw his brother, Alfred, it looked like he was doing something. That's a perfect idea. I'll just kill all three. He's talking about me going to Harry. I must go warn them. But what seems have you been rusting her? I'm expressing didn't mean rushes. Okay. Who's that? Guys. Alfred's trying to bomb you. What? What?
Last, my revenge is about to be completed.
Oh crap, he's on the same line.
Oh, Gordon, Henry, you have a very important passenger to meet today, and his name is Lucifer.
Holy crap! What the heck just happened? Oh my god, what's happened here? Oh my god, I'm going to the track controller back this. I'll be right back to 3. Alright.